In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is piled up with unread messages, this quick cleanup will help you get back to a clean slate in just a few clicks. We're keeping things simple and efficient, and I'll point out a few details so you know exactly what you're selecting and removing. Start by opening your Yahoo Mail inbox and focusing on the unread messages. In many layouts, Yahoo highlights unread emails in bold, so they stand out from messages you've already opened. Some versions of the interface also provide an unread view or filter in the sidebar. If you see that, clicking it will display only the unread emails so you don't accidentally include anything you've already handled. If you don't see a dedicated unread view, staying in the main inbox is fine. Just make sure you can visually confirm which emails are unread by looking for the bolded subject lines. The key here is that your message list shows the unread items you plan to remove. Next, look toward the top of the message list for the small checkbox that selects all messages currently displayed. It's usually above the first email, near the column headers. Click that checkbox to select every unread email on the screen. Take a moment to scan your list and confirm the right items are highlighted. If you have a large number of unread messages spread across multiple pages, keep in mind that some interfaces only select what's visible on the current page. After deleting, you may need to move to the next page and repeat the same selection. With the unread emails selected, click the trash icon at the top of the page. Yahoo may show a brief confirmation or an undo prompt. If you click undo right away, the emails will be restored. Otherwise, they'll move to the trash folder where they remain for a limited time before being permanently removed. Before you move on, it's a good idea to glance at the unread count to confirm it reflects the cleanup you intended. If you notice any unread emails you meant to keep, check the trash folder immediately and restore them. Working in batches helps when you have thousands of messages. Select, delete, and repeat until the unread count drops to 0. And that's it. You've filtered to your unread emails, selected them all with a single checkbox, and sent them to the trash with one click of the trash icon. Enjoy your cleaner inbox and a simpler email routine.